What's up, guys? Welcome to Be Lit Reviews. Today, guess what? We giving some money away. You need some money? Here's your chance to win one of these $100 bills to a lucky winner. This is what you got to do, guys. You got to like this video. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe, turn the alerts on. You got to go to my boy KICKnology's page and then to Katchinkickz1. Both of the links in the description, and subscribe to them also. And number 3, you have to go to both of their Instagram pages. They will be linked in the bottom, and like the giveaway video and share to 2 people. Now you can enter as many times as you want to. And you know what? If you don't want a $100 bill, guess what? You can get a gift. You can get a gift card to Foot Locker. My boy KICKnology, we're doing the live winner via his page, the live stream on April 10th. So go on over, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, subscribe to their channel, follow them on Instagram, like the giveaway post on KICKnology's page, and the giveaway will be the 10th. And without further ado, guys, let's get into this review. Today, we got some dunks. Where's my hand? Hold on, let me put this up real quick. So, we know times is hard. We really want you guys to win this. We figured, hey, you know, how can we give back to the community? And this is the way to do it. So it's fair game. Anybody can win. And there's going to be a lot more giveaways to come. That's just the beginning. $100 gift card, or a Visa card, or a Foot Locker card. So, getting into these dunks. You guys see them. Where's my knife at? My knife's somewhere. Okay, here it is. Let me show you this cool knife I got, guys. My friend made this with a deer antler. He made the blade. He made this all by hand. And that was pretty cool. I thought I'd share that with you. He made this too. So, I live in the woods, man. What are you gonna say, you know? So anyway, let's open up this sneaker. All right, jumping into this dunk, guys. We got what you call the California dunk. Now this is a Nike High SB. Has your green midsole, your red outsole with Nike SB on the bottom. It's got your brown, red, green, and white colorway. The box reads Nike Dunk High Premium SB, size 10, pecan and white. Retail $120. I did buy this from my partner Spot. I talked today. Throwback Thursday. I will link their description and their info in the bottom. They have a lot of vintage clothing, vintage shoes. I did buy these dunks. They're used, gently used. Add to my dunk collection. I got a bunch of dunk videos coming up. But these right here, guys, they have the brown laces. Only one set with these. There may have been more when they were new. I don't know. I didn't buy these new when they first came out. This is my first time owning this particular pair. But I'll give you the rotational. These are really freaking fire, man. These are called the California Dunks, man. Everybody knows about these, and a lot of people are getting into the dunk craze, so I wanted to grab them up while I can. So these aren't my size. I bought them just for the collection. I wear a 10.5 and 11. You guys that follow me know that, but you know I had to have them. I maybe could squeeze into them, but I ain't even gonna try them. I just really want. I'm gonna clean them up really good and throw them on the wall. Do got some information on how everybody's gonna get paid from the government. And that video, I'm gonna put that in a video coming next. I don't wanna overwhelm with the giveaway and the review and then the stimulus money. But guys, if you wanna win that $100, subscribe to Katchinkickz1's channel and KICKnology's channel, and go to their Instagram pages, follow them, and like the giveaway video on KICKnology's page, and share it to 2 people. You can share it as many times as you want to, as many entries, but you have to tag 2 people and share it. So that's what you got to do to win. And guys, I know it's hard out there right now, and blessings to everybody. And there will be a lot more giveaways coming since we're locked in this house. we got nothing better to do but give some money away. Guys, all the giveaway information will be linked in the bottom. So go there and follow the simple directions and you can win that $100.